In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. This is a quick fix and works almost the same way on most devices, but I'll walk you through it on a computer using a web browser so you can see exactly what to look for. Start by opening Amazon Prime Video and playing any movie or TV episode. It doesn't matter which title you choose, because the subtitle control is in the same spot across the catalog. Once the video is playing, move your mouse or trackpad so the on-screen controls appear along the bottom of the player. If you don't see them at first, hover over the video or click once to pause and bring the controls up. Full screen is fine. Those controls will still slide up when you move the cursor. Now look for the speech bubble icon. It's usually near the bottom right of the player, close to the gear and volume icons, and it may be labeled Subtitles and Audio. Click that speech bubble to open a small panel. You'll typically see two sections inside, one for audio, where you can change the spoken language, and one for subtitles or CC. Focus on the subtitles section and select Off. The moment you choose Off, the captions should disappear from the screen right away. No extra confirmation needed. If you accidentally click an audio track instead, don't worry. Just switch back to your preferred audio and make sure subtitles is set to off. The change only affects the text captions. It won't alter the video quality or your playback settings. A quick tip. Prime Video often remembers your subtitle preference for your current profile and device. That means once you turn them off here, many titles will stay that way. However, some shows or apps may revert to their own defaults, so if subtitles reappear in a different title, just repeat the same click on the speech bubble and choose Off again. It only takes a second. If you don't see the speech bubble at all, make sure the video hasn't minimized its controls. Move the mouse again, try pausing and resuming, or briefly exit and re-enter full screen. Also note that a few titles might not include subtitle options, in which case the panel may show fewer choices. That's all there is to it. Play a title, reveal the controls, click the subtitles and audio icon, and choose Off. You're set to enjoy your movie or show without on-screen text. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.